I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best to the Best, congratulations! If you're watching this video right now, you have found Staton Heating and Air, a great American multi-generation family business based in Alpharetta, Georgia, that has been delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship and giving back to the community a lot for over 50 years now. Staton Heating and Air earns a 2024 National Best to the Best Award for customer satisfaction because everything this team does is guided by honesty, integrity, and lots of experience. Nobody at Staton Heating and Air knew that we were doing this video. The founder is a wonderful guy named Ed Staton. Ed has 3 sons who now own the business, Mark, Daryl, and Brian, and none of them had any idea that we were doing this video. At Best to the Best, we do extensive research on companies that have great customer reviews for many years. If we like what we see, we profile the company without telling the owners. We know that gives our videos a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there, and we love the story of Staton Heating and Air. Staton does all kinds of heating and air conditioning, replacement and repair, you name it, residential, commercial, lots of new construction work. They're experts at indoor air quality and ductless mini-split systems and more. They have great financing options. They have really fantastic service agreements. Staton works on all brands, but they're a Trane comfort specialist, which we like. Trane makes some of the best HVAC equipment in the world. It's hard to stop a Trane. But the Staton Heating and Air story has always been much more about people than products and services. Staton is a tight-knit team of true pros. People have careers at this company, not just jobs. They're so different from many larger companies in this part of Georgia. Staton Heating and Air simply will not engage in the high-pressure sales by technicians who are on commission sales and told to sell customers anything they possibly can. That is the trend in HVAC these days. That just does not happen with Staton Heating and Air. They give you a fair price, they do the work the right way, and there are no surprises. At Best to the Best, we care most about our independent research and what customers say in recent reviews. The reviews about Staton Heating and Air across every credible review site out there are fantastic, hundreds and hundreds of them. Customers simply rave about every aspect of dealing with this team, and most importantly to us, they love the no-pressure sales, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Staton. These are good people who you can trust. Finally, at Best of the Best, we love companies that give back. This one does. They've been very active in the community for many decades. They're always involved in some charitable initiative. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations to everyone at Staton Heating and Air in Georgia on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for over 50 years and counting. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.